One of the main outcomes or effects that researchers look at is group performance. How does conflict impact the group's performance? What they create, the kind of ideas they come up with, how much they sell, all of those things are considered group performance. And in this image, it's labeled unit performance. Many of us can't help but think about conflict in negative terms. It isn't a word that gives us warm and fuzzy feelings. The kind of conflict that many of us think of is called dysfunctional conflict. This kind of conflict doesn't support the group's goals and it hinders the group's performance. Here, in this image, situations A and C are dysfunctional. Too little conflict results in too few ideas. Too much conflict, on the other hand, can lead to complete chaos. An example of dysfunctional conflict is a disagreement that is never addressed and keeps happening over and over and over again. Eventually, the outcome won't be beneficial to the group, and this disagreement is dysfunctional conflict. Despite conflict's bad rap, some of it is beneficial. In situations like B shown here, a moderate amount of conflict can be good for improvement and for creativity. Conflicts that support the group's goals and improve the group's performance are said to be functional conflicts. They serve an important function. For instance, a disagreement about the next steps of a project can be helpful if it makes the group discuss the various alternatives and choose the one that is best for the group. In that instance, the disagreement actually results in a good outcome, a positive outcome. So it's easy to think of a dysfunctional conflict, but can you think of an example of a functional conflict that you've recently experienced, either at school or at work or even at home with your friends?